In the Arashiyama district on the outskirts of Kyoto, the Sagano bamboo forest stands as a serene and verdant retreat. This sprawling bamboo grove, with its towering green stalks swaying gently in the wind, creates a soundscape as enchanting as its visual appeal. The sun filters through the dense canopy, casting a soft, diffused light that enhances the forest's ethereal quality. The Japanese government recognizes the sounds of the forest as a national treasure and works to preserve this unique auditory experience. The forest is not just a visual spectacle. It's a testament to the cultural significance of bamboo in Japan, where it symbolizes strength and resilience.